Hello, it's Angus here at the Bureau with a weather update for you. It is the first day of August and today we're focused on one specific weather system which is going to move across Australia in the next few days, and it's one to watch as well, particularly as we get into early next week. This could bring some widespread rain, but we'll start by looking at the satellite image and we'll see, can you spot where I'm talking about? Well, maybe we'll play this image one more time and we'll do a bit of a zoom in, because initially we're focused on the northwest of Western Australia, up around the Pilbara region, maybe parts of the Kimberley, parts of the Gascoyne as well. We're seeing this cloud build today, and with this cloud we're seeing a few patchy showers roll into this part of the country. But for the rest of the working week, Thursday and Friday, not expecting to see too much rainfall with this system. There will certainly be some patchy showers up across the north and northwest of WA, but as we'll see on the rain accumulation chart, initially mostly light falls. So looking at this map here, the blues and greens are single-digit rainfall totals, and that's mostly what we expect to see over the next couple of days. Possibly some parts of the Pilbara could see 15 or 25 millimetres of rain in the next few days, but generally between 2 and 10 millimetres with just a few showers and cloudy skies. Once we move into the weekend though, this whole system gets a bit more interesting. It continues to move eastwards into central parts of Australia, and you start to see a few more dark blues coming in. Some heavier rain starts to arrive over the course of the weekend as it moves into South Australia and southern parts of the Northern Territory, and this is where we start to see those rainfall numbers pick up a little bit. All of a sudden across Central Australia we're now looking at widespread areas where we might see 20, 30, even 40 millimetres in places, and when that amount of rain falls across these normally dry areas in Central Australia, it can certainly have some impact, particularly on travel and transportation, because of course a lot of these outback roads in this part of the country, they are dirt roads, so it doesn't take that much wet weather before they become muddy and in some cases impassable, so we could well see some road closures over the course of the weekend. It is worth noting at this stage that there's still a little bit of uncertainty. There's not complete clarity as to how this will play out. There's no guarantee the rain map will look exactly like this during the weekend, but the broad picture is pretty consistent. We do expect to see rain moving through these parts of the country on Saturday and in particular on Sunday. But we're not done yet. This weather system will continue to move eastwards over the first couple of days of next week, potentially amplifying as it moves into southern Queensland and eventually northern parts of New South Wales. At the moment it looks like Tuesday is probably the day to watch, because we may see the rain intensity pick up. We may see the development of some thunderstorms across parts of Queensland and New South Wales through the first few days of next week. Again, I do have to say there's a few scenarios for how this could play out. It may just move across these states bringing light to locally moderate rainfall totals, but there's definitely a chance this weather system could amplify and intensify on the first couple of days of next week, and we could start to see widespread moderate and locally heavy falls of rain, particularly if those thunderstorms do get going. So for now, what I'll say, this is one to watch. We are getting rain for the next few days, we are getting rain into the weekend, but as we look towards next week, this is a good weather system just to keep in the back of your mind, because we will be locking in those details and confirming the forecast. We've got our crew on deck each and every day checking out the latest information and updating your weather forecast, which of course you can find on the Bureau website and app. Thanks for watching, hope you have a great day.